I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background from a photo on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to open your Photos app and find a photo that you want to remove the background from. In this example, I'm just going to use this picture of a mobile dock that I purchased the other day. Other pictures probably would be better for removing a background, but let's just try this one. First, you're going to tap and hold on the subject of the photo. Now it's going to show you a glowing outline of what you have selected. And this is automatic. You can't change it. This is just how the iPhone works. It will automatically select your subject for you, assuming what it looks like. This is a white box on a white background, so it's not going to look like it's selected very good. A person with a plain background, you should be fine. Now that you have your selection, it depends what you want to do with it. If you want to paste this without the background on Instagram, you're going to click copy and then move over to whatever app like Instagram that you want to use this on and click paste. Now, if you want to have this image on your computer without the background, you're going to click share, and then you're going to email that image to yourself and it will not contain the background. We'll click copy and then show you exactly what it's going to look like. For this example, I'm going to open up the Notes app and then I'm going to use this test document right here and I'm going to click paste. And as you can see, this is just the doc without the background here. And as I mentioned, it doesn't look particularly good because it was a white subject on a white background. People and different things like that will look much better. Now you're all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.